Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Shantae and this is Tut Tips. So today, me and King Tut, we about to hit these streets. We want to show y'all a couple of the Black-owned businesses that we found here in South Carolina. All right, so let's hit these streets with the touch, y'all. Alright, y'all, come along with Tut Tips. Y'all ain't got what? Oh, Lord. Go. You know, we always see some damn mess. Alright, y'all, let's hit these streets.
Little old lady on the little Vespa, right in the middle of all this damn traffic. Like, literally.
Let's hope the angels is with her out here with these crazy folks.
No old lady too.
I ain't trying to put nothing bad out there in the universe, but these folks out here is crazy.
She ain't got no helmet on or nothing.
Oh Lord, she out here living her best life.
Yeah.
Okay, right, lady.
Little cute red Vespa.
That's gonna be me.
Shouldn't I remember when we went to Hawaii, your ass was on the little scooter and you was a mess.
Stop bringing up old. I was about to curse. About to get me on here cursing. Stop bringing up old yet, okay? Because I got the sea moss capsule stuck in my throat. So inconvenient. I'm trying to get a point across. I can't stop coughing. All right, y'all. So we take these sea moss capsules every day, and I prefer the sea moss gel and put it in my shake. Well, we didn't have no more gel. So now my throat all funny because I got the sea moss capsule stuck in my throat. I don't like taking pills, whatever there is. I don't like taking no dang pills. So see, this is the problem. I'm trying to tell him that my throat is narrow. And is that possible? I believe it is. It got to be, Terrence. That makes sense. He acting like it don't make sense. Some people's throat is going to be slimmer than other people's, more narrow. Anyway, I can still feel it right here, y'all. It's here. I'm drinking my shake now, y'all, and this ain't helping it to go down. It's Willy Wonka's up in here. Something is not right. It ain't me. I feel it. Alright, so this spot we about to go to is called Palm International, and this is where we get a lot of our herbal supplies and teas, organic items, things like that, y'all. That's where we're going. We're going to pick up our sea moss from there. No, not the sea moss. We're going to pick up the soursop from there. If y'all know what this stuff is, y'all need to look it up. Maybe I'll do a video when I go a little bit more detail. I know it's very, very good. I don't know off the top of my head all the benefits, but trust me, you need it in your life. You need these things in your life. Okay? So look it up, Google it. Oh, they got some balloons out here. What's going on over here? Oh, that's at the spot next to it. Of course, the store is located here in South Carolina. But I believe you can't order and have certain stuff shipped to you. I did do a video already on this first spot, so y'all can go check that out. I'll put the link above in this video. I'll also put the link for that video in the description section, in my comments section. So y'all go check that out so y'all can get a more detailed video on exactly what products they sell here in this store. We have to go make a quick stop in here. We're looking for a couple of things, and then we're gonna hit up this other spot. We're gonna go to this other spot. Hopefully the owner is there, y'all, because he can give us a quick tour and let us know a little bit more in detail about his building. His building actually houses, I wanna say 6 or 7 Black-owned businesses. I'm trying to stop saying little.
Yeah.
But I actually did mean little, but because it's a little shop. But, you know, I'm just trying because, you know, everybody be up here You know, I get how people be saying, "Oh, her little, think she cute with her little, her little jive and stuff like that and stuff."
Your
But,
little business. How your little business?
yeah. But I don't even be saying that because you know I'm just not nasty like that, y'all. I'm just not. My personality, that ain't me. That ain't my makeup. I just don't roll like that. I don't. So if y'all hear me say that, I'm not meaning it that way. But because I know so many people do be doing that little low shade, throwing shade. Look at that fool. Here, get me home. Anyway, because I know so many people do intend for it to come off like that, and they trying to throw shade, I'm trying to get away from doing that because everybody don't love me, and I don't want them to take it the wrong way. That's something I've been working on. Did I tell you I was working on that day? Yeah, that's something I'm working on because I do that. I don't do it a lot where it's like noticeable, but I do that when I'm talking about when I'm talking about my stuff and other stuff, other people's stuff. I might be like, look at my little closet, a little something, and I'm definitely not throwing shade at my own. Y'all the popos beside us, and he over there on his phone. What he doing? Is it business? Y'all, I'm still drinking my shake. I had this shake how long ago?
Too damn long.
Just, like an hour. It's only been about an hour and 30 minutes, 2 hours.
Only an hour.
I know it's a shame. I know it's a shame. But, okay, y'all let us know. How many of y'all hurry up and drink y'all shake real fast? Because let me tell you, Keith Tut, I fixed the shake and he be like, I like to savor my shake. He hurry up and guzzle it down. I like to savor my shake.
Guzzle it down. Just
you be drinking fast. Like I hand you the shake and you'll tip it up one time and then you sit it down. It look like half of it gone already. That's a guzzle to me.
Just drink it like normal folks.
I think you're supposed to just definitely not have it as long as I've had this one now. This ain't my norm. I had stopped after I fixed the shake, threw on my little sweatshirt gear to come out here in these streets. Then I had to get my chin and my face waxed. And I was drinking it. Then we had to stop off at the stove. So that's why I still have it, but that's not normal. Normally I go out to the porch. I keep forgetting to wind my little window up. See, I said that little again. See, that's what I'm trying to work with that. But anyway, normally I go out there to the porch, y'all, and drink my shake, and it's just like a normal, sip. And then it's done. I want to savor all the fruit and vegetables and minerals and vitamins.
Cut it out.
Vitamins in my shake.
Cut it out. Still take you an hour.
We're going to go to this other spot. Hopefully the owner is there, y'all. He can give us a quick tour and let us know a little bit more in detail about his building. And his building actually housed at least, well, I'm guessing here, I'm not sure, so we'll find that out, about 6 or 7 Black-owned different businesses within that one building. So let's go see y'all. So here's a little taste of what's going on. So we lucked out. The owner was there. We had a great experience. So what I'll do is I'll do a separate video, more in detail and more informative video, so y'all can get a little bit more knowledge about the different Black-owned businesses within this building, his building.
We don't sell books on magic and how to jinx or hex people or stuff like that, but we do work on things on how to get yourself together. Right. So we're not going to advocate that. If you want to get that, you get that from someplace else. But we want to help people get to master their own things. Now, as we come out here, over here we have the beautiful young lady. My wife, she's taking care of the U-Haul for us.
All right.
And so we rent the U-Haul trucks. We gotta have that national money.
That's
coming
right.
in.
That's right.
So coming around, and here you have Sacred Roots. All Eyes on Egypt. All Eyes on Egypt is a Nubian bookstore. To make sure wasn't nobody in there.
Yeah.
It's a Nubian bookstore, and they got various books by one author named Dr. Malachi York. So this is where they have a lot of their classes at on like Sundays when they have them, and you can have a lot of their meetings and get a lot of information. Some really dope information in here. You have Sacred Roots. So this is the brother Ket and the young lady Renee, and this and Sacred Roots. So he has all the different herbs to help heal your body, cleanse your body, detox you, get you right, you know. Here we have our barbershop that we are. This is going to be our on-the-job training barbershop. All the local artists, they bring their artwork here. That's all of this art that's here. Our featured artist now is the brother named Grizzly Rouse.
That's my guy.
Oh, okay, your guy. Home sweet home.